Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how to check someone's close friend list on Instagram. So first I'm going to open my Instagram app here. Then I'm going to click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then I'm going to click on the three bars in the top right corner. And here you can see a option called close friends. I'll click on it. And it will show me my list of close friends. You can also add uh, people into your close friend list from here, or you can also remove it by just tapping on their name or the mark. So if you want to check someone close friend list, or if they have added you, as you can see in this the story section, it's in, let's just say, gradient color. So if they have uh, added you in their close friend list, it will be in the green color. So that's how you check if someone added you in their close friend list. Like and comment the video if it helped you, and subscribe the channel for more. Thanks.